Now our next theorem 8.6. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Given that a parallelogram ABCD in which AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC and its diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at a point O, and we have to prove that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. It means, what is the meaning of bisect? बाइसेक्ट का मीनिंग है कि डायगोनल्स जिस पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं वो इंटरसेक्शन का जो पॉइंट है वो डायगोनल्स की लेंथ को इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू प्रूव AO इक्वल्स टू OC एंड OD इक्वल्स टू OB. To prove OA equals to OC and OB equals to OD. Proof. In triangle AOB and in triangle COD. We have these two triangles, and firstly we will prove these two triangles congruent. So AB equals to CD. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, and OBA equals to ODC. This angle equals to this angle because AB parallel to CD and BD cuts them, and OAB equals to OCD. This angle equals to this angle because AB parallel to CD and AC cuts them. Students, do correction in your worksheet also. It means AB equals to CD and this angle equals to this angle and this angle equals to this angle. It means two angles and their included sides are equal. So triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. Okay, by AAS criteria, angle side angle criteria. It means AO equals to OC and OB equals to OD. We take these two triangles and firstly we will prove them congruent by criteria ASA. AB equals to CD, opposite sides of a parallelogram, and this angle equals to this angle, alternate interior angle, and this angle equals to this angle, alternate interior angle when AB parallel to CD and BD cuts them. Okay, so these two triangles are congruent to each other. It means OA equals to OC and OB equals to OD. Students, do this correction in your worksheet. And now our next theorem 8.7. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. This is converse theorem of 8.6. In this theorem it is given that diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. What is given? A quadrilateral ABCD whose diagonals AC and BD intersect at a point O such that AO equals to OC and OB equals to OD. This is given in the statement of theorem that the diagonals bisect each other. What we have to prove? We have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. It means we have to prove that AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. Okay, so firstly we will take these two triangles AOB and triangle COD. We will prove them congruent. AO equals to OC and OD equals to OB. These two conditions are given in the statement, and AOB equals to COD. This angle equals to this angle because these two angles are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. So SAS, by SAS criteria, triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. Side and their included angles are equal. So triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. It means BAO equals to OCD. Okay students, but BAO equals to OCD, but these are alternate interior angles. It means AB parallel to CD. Now again we take these two triangles AOD and triangle BCOB or BOC. Now we will prove them these two triangles congruent. OA equals to OC, this is given, and OD equals to OB, this is also a given, and this angle equals to this angle, because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. It means two sides and their included angles are equal. So by criteria side, angle, side, these two triangles OAD and OCB are congruent to each other by SAS criteria. It means angle ADO equals to angle BOC or CBO, but these are alternate angles. So AD parallel to BC. It means firstly proof किया AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. It means ABCD is a parallelogram. Students, in this theorem, firstly we take these two triangles and we prove them congruent. These two triangles are congruent to each other. It means this angle equals to this angle, but these two angles are alternate interior angles. It means AB parallel to CD, and after then we take these two triangles, we prove them congruent triangles, and angle B equals to this angle D equals to this angle B, but these are alternate interior angles. It means AD parallel to BC. If AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC, it means ABCD is a parallelogram. Now our next theorem 8.8. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. Students, a quadrilateral ABCD. This is a quadrilateral, and in this quadrilateral a pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. AB equals to CD and AB parallel to CD. Now we have to prove that this is a parallelogram. For this, firstly we have to prove AD parallel to BC. Okay, so given a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to CD and AB parallel to CD, we have to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. Construction: join A and C. We make this diagonal of this quadrilateral. Now proof. These are two triangles ABC and ACD. Okay, firstly we will prove them congruent. So AB equals to CD. This is given in the question. Then that one pair of opposite sides is equal, and AC equals to CA. This is common side of these two triangles. This is equal to this, and this is common side. Now AB parallel to CD and CA cuts them. It means angle BAC equals to angle CD DCA. Friends, AB equals to CD. This is given in the question that one pair of opposite sides is equal, and AC equals to CA. This is common arm of these two triangles, and because AB parallel to CD and AC is a transversal of them to parallel sides, it means this angle BAC equals to this angle DCA. Okay, these are alternate interior angles. It means they will be equal to each other. So by side angle side criteria, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Means if these two triangles are congruent, it means BCA equals to angle DAC. These two triangles are congruent. It means this angle equals to this angle equals to this angle. Okay, but these are alternate interior angles. It means AD parallel to BC. Now AB parallel to CD given and AD parallel to BC. It means ABCD is a parallelogram. Firstly, we proved these two triangles congruent by side angle side criteria. These two sides are given equal, and this is common side, and this angle equals to this angle because AB parallel to CD and CA is a transversal. Hence these two triangles are congruent to each other. It means this angle equals to this angle. But these two angles are also alternate interior angles. It means AD parallel to BC. AB parallel to CD given and AD parallel to BC. We proved it. It means ABCD is a parallelogram.